Okay, today we're looking at the TKKJ H100 radio controlled boat. So let's take it out of the box and see what we've got. Alright, so out of the box you have the controller. It needs 4 AA batteries. You've got your charge cord. This is lubrication oil for the tubes inside. You got a bonus motor, or yeah, I think that's what that's called, a motor. And then I already set up the mount for it. And then it also comes with a little wrench that will help you with some of the things inside the boat. Alright, you can't pair it until it's in the water, so let's go take it and put it in the water.